Hey bakers, it's Miss Paula, and we are getting ready to make gooey butter cake. Now, even though it's gooey butter, doesn't mean it can't be made dairy-free. As you know, I'm dairy-free, so my recipes can be made either way. But if you're gonna make them dairy-free, let me share with you a couple of favorite things that I like to use. So when you're substituting cream cheese, like we will be in this recipe, my favorite is the Tofutti brand. My second favorite is the Daya Plain. Both work really, really well. I just prefer this one a little bit more than this one. Then we've got butter. So I've had the best luck using Earth Balanced soy-free butter sticks. Works really, really well in all of my recipes. So if you are dairy-free, those are some great substitutions you can use for our gooey butter cake.